Need safe mode? I'll show how to restart Windows 11 into safe mode, step by step. Step 1. Click the Start button at the bottom left of the screen. Open the Power menu. Press and hold Shift, then click Restart. When the recovery screen appears, select Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options. Choose Startup Settings, then click Restart to view boot options. After reboot, press 4 for safe mode or 5 for safe mode with networking. Windows will start in safe mode. You'll see a smaller desktop and a safe mode watermark. Use safe mode to remove drivers, run antivirus scans, or undo recent updates. To exit safe mode, restart normally, open Start, click Power, then Restart. If safe mode won't start, try a system restore or use Windows installation media. Quick recap: Start, Power plus Shift, Troubleshoot, Advanced, Startup Settings, then press 4 or 5. Done! You're in safe mode. For more quick Windows tips, check our channel or help pages.